I just used the root keyword advice, and you'll see here again we've got about 800 keywords have come back. Massive profitability numbers on some of these. Again, you've got to be careful of this demand number here. It's probably much less than 1871 because this is the value demand, not the actual search demand, but we go to Google and check that. Free doctor advice. That's something I wouldn't advise you to do because you can get yourself in all sorts of legal minefields there. But garden advice online, free infidelity advice, there's a whole market there. You could just brainstorm infidelity and you would come back with probably thousands of keywords on infidelity, and you could share how to handle that, how to keep your relationship strong, things like that. Body type, fashion advice, advice in love relationship, lap dance advice, another incredibly popular niche for some people. Free vet advice. Any of these ones that are medical, you want to stay away from them because you can get yourself in legal problems. But if you're a vet, or if you knew a vet, that would be a great market to dig deeply into. In our final brainstorming session, I used the seed word problems. And again, we get 800 keywords, and some of them have really good profitability. For example, plasma TV problems, fingernail problems, symptoms of thyroid problems. Again, health. You've got to be careful of health because if you say something wrong, you can have all sorts of scary people come down all over you. So unless you're qualified to talk about health or finance or anything like that, stay away from those and go more with topics that are general interest but where there are lots of passionate people and of course people with problems. If you type in problems, you're going to get people with problems that need to be solved, and the more desperate the problem, the better. So let's go through some of these. Problems with Viagra, liver problems, eBay problems, Gary Coleman growth problems, interesting topic, laptop battery problems. See, all of these, if you go through these, you're certain to find great niche topics, and on some of these topics you're going to have a starving crowd that's just waiting for you to help them solve their problem. So I hope going through the brainstormer and showing you how I research these keywords has been helpful. There are millions of potential niches, but if you go after something that you are passionate about, that you are or could become an expert in, where people are spending money and there is a starving crowd of people trying to solve a problem, your chances of success with SiteBuilt It are much better than if you don't have those 4 things all lined up. Seeing how I've already brainstormed these 4 keywords, there's no point in you going and doing it again. So down below this video I've put the links where you can download 4 spreadsheets that contain all of these keywords sorted by profitability for you. So you can go through these 4 for a start, have a look at all the keywords there and see if there's anything that you'd like to build your site around or anything that gives you an idea so you can start brainstorming with your SiteBuilt It all fresh. So I hope these videos and spreadsheets really help you, and I wish you every success with your SiteBuilt It site.